Place the pattern pieces on the wrong side of your fabric. Trace the pattern with tailor's chalk or a removable marker. Cut out your fabrics along the traced lines. With right sides of the fabric facing, pair up the cap band pieces and pin them together on their short side seams. Sew the cap band pieces together on their side seams. Press the seams open when done. With right sides of the fabric facing, pin together the cap pieces along the long side seams of the cap. Sew the long side seams of the cap together. At the point of the cap, drop your needle and pivot the fabric. Clip off the end of the pointed seam allowance so the piece will turn right side out correctly. Take care not to cut through the seam. Pair up the cap band pieces. With right sides of the fabric facing, pin together the two assembled cap band pieces along one long end. Sew together the cap band pieces. Press the seam open when done. With right sides of the fabric facing, pin one end of the cap band to the cap, leaving the other end loose so it can become a lining for the band in a later step. Sew the cap to the cap band. Turn the assembled cap inside out. Fold over the lining layer and tuck under the seam allowance to the inside of the cap band. Pin the lining layer in place. Hand stitch the lining layer down to the inside seam allowance of the cap. This will hide the seam allowance where the band meets the cap. Turn the cap right side out. Using the gray line on the pattern as a guide, fold the cap band in half, creating a folded cuff. And that's it! Enjoy your new hat! You can find more cosplay guides and tutorials on our website. Thanks for watching!